Okay, we're looking at question 149. We're looking at f of x equals 1/4 secant x. Okay. So remember when graphing this, what I need to do first is I need to graph this, the reciprocal, right? So I'm going to come over here. So if I'm going to make that a 1, that a 1, 2, and then 2. So 1, 2, -1, -2. Okay. And so there's no period change or phase shift, so I'm going to end at 2 pi. Okay. So if it was a parent function, I'd start at 1, but here it says start at 1/4, so this is a half, so that's a 1/4 right there. That's a 1/4 right there. In the middle, I go up a 4, so it's only going to be about right there. Okay, so there's my x-intercepts. Kind of sketch this here, and I'll try to draw it. Okay. Now, if you remember, one of the issues with cosine and cosecant, I need 2 peaks, right? So I'm going to go out a little bit farther here. I'm going to go to -pi/2 and extend it back this way. Okay. And then to find my vertical asymptotes, it's at my x-intercepts. So there's one right there, there's one right there, and there's one right there. That's where I'm going to find. I'll go ahead and change colors to kind of put the graph on here. And then remember, I approach the asymptotes, okay, with these kind of parabola-looking shapes. Not technically a parabola, but it has that look to it, right? So that's one. Max and a min is basically 1 full period. Okay, and then last one here, 150, which is f of x equals 1/2 cosecant x. So same thing here, graph the reciprocal function, 1/2 sine x. Okay. So no period change or phase shift, so that's nice. I'll make that a 1, that a -1, -2, and a +2. Pi/2, pi, I mean 2 pi, sorry. Okay, so just throwing that on there. So I do have an amplitude change of a 1/2, so I'm going to go only up a 1/2 and down a 1/2. Okay. So here I'm going to graph this. Okay. And then I go to my vertical asymptotes where I have an x-intercept right there. And then I draw in my curves. There you go.